Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Roblox Error Code 277. First, clear the Roblox cache on your PC. Press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the run box. Type %local app data % and press enter. Now, look for a folder named Roblox. Open the folder, then go into the logs and versions folders. Delete all the files inside both folders. This removes temporary and corrupted data that can cause disconnection issues. Next, check if Roblox servers are working properly. Sometimes the problem is not on your side. Open your browser and search for Roblox server status. If servers are down or under maintenance, you will need to wait until they are back online before playing again. Finally, make sure Roblox is updated. If you are using an outdated version, it can cause errors like this. The easiest way is to uninstall Roblox from your computer, then download and install the latest version from the official website. This will replace any broken or missing files. After completing these steps, open Roblox again and check if the error is fixed. Thanks for watching.